I think delivery. Let's get delivery. Go back to delivery. Okay, so before you gain anything from it, you have to deliver it, right? So this comes before gain, I'm sorry. So what does delivery mean to you? I need some, come on guys, I need some feedback here. All of you are like sitting there doe-eyed at me, come on. No? Delivery? Pizza? No, nothing?
It's executing the idea.
Yes, it's executing the idea. It's individual inputs executing the idea. Okay? So basically, delivery is separate from opportunity. Like, you gain the opportunity to create content, and now you have opportunities to deliver content. Okay? So delivery process basically is not really a creative aspect. It is more into marketing and publicity and all that stuff. So that doesn't mean that creative people can't involve themselves with it. So for example, the next production, Introspect, generated the opportunity for everyone to make a movie. Yes? How do you deliver it? By making a trailer. That's how you deliver it. And you can use directors, cinematographers, lighting people, sounds people, and script writers and whatnot for just a trailer, for just a 2-minute trailer. And that is opportunity itself. That is opportunity to deliver professionally. And that is what we are actually into. More than content creation, because people can create content themselves, but they might not be able to deliver it. We, in the end, can do that for them. Yes? I think all of you are like really confused. Like, absolutely. Because no one, like, everyone's like looking at it. It's like, okay, guys, everyone stand up. No, seriously, stand up. My God. My God. Seriously. Hello, Nika. Hello. Hi. Hi. How are you? Yeah, I can join. Yeah, kind of. I knew it. I made sure. Anyway. Alright, guys. Seriously, please pay attention. Sit down. And this is very important. I know this seems like a bullshit, but it's not. This is like a. Okay. So, we have, as we deal with the creation of content and opportunities, we need to deliver products professionally. Okay, so how do we do that? How do we do that? How do we deliver products professionally? We have another process that is going on in the same time. Okay, create to mediate. This is what the mediate process comes with. Dude, this is like seriously screwed up. This is like seriously screwed up. That slide wasn't supposed to go back. Go back. Alright, games. This is in games. I'm so sorry, someone resisted my slide. I'm gonna cast that. Okay, so as I told you about games, we have the recognition of the individual. It gets the recognition of the talent, the creative talent. It gets developed, it gets marketed, and it gets distributed. Now that distributed product gets recognized again, and then it gets developed again, it gets marketed again, distributed again. It's like an amplifying spiral. Okay, it doesn't stop. And you yourself are the person who's driving this cycle, because it's your talent in the end. Okay, good. Like, go to mediate first, right? Yeah. Next. Okay. We are an organization. What is Naga? We are an organization that helps people create, help people realize their creative potential. Yeah. So we have another mediate process going on here. It is basically an expansion of what you saw before, but this is where the managerial aspects come in. Okay. So we have an idea. Everyone knows what an idea is. What do we do with it? We generate reports, because we have to create the idea, we have to conceptualize it, we have to realize it. We generate reports on it. Okay, what do we do after the reports? We assign people that, we assign people. So let's say we have actors here. We assign actors to that assignment, or let's say it was promotional video. We assign directors to that assignment. We assign script writers to that. We do a lot of things. Okay, basically people know what their jobs are. Next is production. Basically all of these people come together and create something that we can produce. Next slide, man. That we can market. That we can market. This guy is the best presenter anyway, that we can market. Alright. What do we do after we market that product? Everyone is clear about marketing, right? Anyways, we deliver that product. How is that separate from marketing? Product delivery.
Marketing is just creating a hype about it.
Right.
Marketing is just creating a hype, getting people interested.
Okay.
So getting the product across delivery, a lot of times, getting the film to the theaters is an issue.
Okay.
So that's going to be different.
Take for example the Dhol Baje thing.
Yeah.
Everyone's making this marketing. They're doing marketing at the first, being at the starting part on the food court and giving out joint.
Well,
Deliver the product when you go to that event. That's what
Yeah, kind of. Yeah. Okay. What he
Is
said.
marketing different from publicity?
yeah, it's not.
They're actually concentric circle.
Girlfriend wins.
Yeah.
Ambition wins types.
Marketing.
Yeah, some. Guys,
It's correct.
publicity involves going to places and actually putting up posters. Marketing involves the generation of that idea in your mind that where you're going to put up posters, what are they going to look like, how is it going to affect people, what are people thinking when they read it. Things like that. That is marketing. Okay. And yeah. Anyway. So whatever you said is correct. I'll just reiterate this for everyone. Marketing basically generates people's interest. Okay, so people are like, ooh, this is Naga. Oh, nice. Alright. How do we deliver that product? We actually go to them and we selling tickets and pushing products, right? Okay. After that we have showcasing. What do you do after the product is made? You just leave it up there? No. You actually take that product and use it as your resume, as your portfolio. So when Introspect is made, we have a lot of products coming along with it. One of them is going to be presented to you today. So all of those products are going to act as a resume to people that, okay guys, we've already done this. If you like this sort of work, we're there. Next. And what does that do? Okay, anyways, next step. I want to introduce something in the media process. Okay, we have something called PECAS. Okay, PECAS stand for punctuality, effort, comprehensiveness, communication, and accuracy. Okay, that's a lot of words. I'm sorry. Okay, so what is it? What is a PECA? What is a PECA? Yeah. PECA is a performance index rated on 5 factors: performance, effort, comprehensiveness, communication, and accuracy. How does it work? Everyone gets a PECA for an assignment, right? So let's say Mithun, he's a script writing person. So let's say I asked him to do a script for a very short movie, 2-minute movie, okay, a month back, alright? So now is the time for me to assign him PECAs. So there's like a 50-point PECA, alright? So I'll assign him points on based on punctuality, effort, all of those things. And in the end, he gets that PECA, and then basically at the end of the term, our term lasts 1 semester, at the end of the term, that PECA gets averaged and gets used in the next term. What is the PECA used for? Why is it needed? Okay, guys, do you understand the concept of the performance index?
Yeah.
Everyone understands, everyone's clear on what a performance index is. Because this kind of thing,
Rating system.
it's your rating system. It's like the US top 40, just for people. Or the Manipal top 40. Anyways, so guys.
Yeah.
Alright, so why is it needed for you guys?
To evaluate people.
To evaluate people. Yes. Now I want you to pay attention to this because this has never been done in Manipal before. No one else does this, and we have to do this. Why? Because we have we will have the sheer numbers to actually, we won't be able to manage all this, and it's very impossible to do something without actually letting people know where they stand. Right? All of you right now, some of you have done some work, some of you have not, and it's very no one knows where things are going. Right? What we need to do